Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of February 2023. We're going to talk about Tezos today. Trying to see if there's still huge gains coming in the market. You guys can tell already on the chart, which is in front of us, that the trend in the market in Tezos is clearly higher prices. So first of all, that's the thing I'm going to address here first, okay? We're going to look forward to the price in Tezos continue to follow this trend line. You guys can actually tell that I did a price prediction into the market in Tezos, and currently Tezos has gone against my idea. Yeah, the market is a little bit more bullish now, as we can tell from the information that's created off of the charts, than what it was when I originally did the price prediction. I did the video in Tezos on the 1st of February, and here it is the 21st. So 20 days later, look at what price has accomplished. Price has gone higher. Okay, cool. See, I'll show you all prior indications as to what I suspected price was going to do. If I get it right, so be it. If I get it wrong, so be it. We can still learn and become more accustomed to how the market works without the confusion. So first of all, let's break this down, okay? Let's see, how do we get this? Well, we didn't necessarily get this wrong because we only could go off the information that we have at that particular moment in time. Now we have more information, and now we can tell that actually the market in Tezos was a little bit more bullish than it were bearish, which is cool. Now, I've identified an area to where I was looking for sellers to come into the market in Tezos, right? And you guys can see what 4 days into the price prediction, the market was able to push there, and we saw sellers come into the market in Tezos right here. Now, how do I know that it was sellers? Well, the price bar tells us everything we need to know. We saw the market on the conclusion of the day close off of the highs with a high amount of volume. Look at all that volume that came in on that particular day right here, February the 5th. So this was selling that came into the market in Tezos, and the following day gives us that confirmation. Price fell down right below $1.18. So we knew that this was selling. Now, the idea that you may be on the wrong side of the trade was the next following day. Look at this price bar there. The next day, on February the 7th, market ran back up above $1.18. That tells us that the demand in the market in Tezos was definitely still there. See, it was a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers, because even on the following day, you guys can see more sellers came into the market. Market closed off of the highs, and a healthy amount of volume came in, higher than the last two trading price bars and volume bars. So yeah, there were still sellers here. And then the sellers was able to dominate the market in Tezos following right here, the 9th. They control the market. This massive spread bar down tells us that the buyers didn't show up and the sellers controlled the yard. And now you guys can see that buyers reappeared into the market in Tezos on this trend line. It's not by coincidence. This is where the buyers reclaimed victory into the market and began to push Tezos price higher. It's just that simple. And since then, the market has been on a massive run higher after it confirmed price support on this trend line. So this was the pristine opportunity to come in and buy Tezos on the low and ride it up to higher prices. So yeah, we didn't get this one right. So let's go ahead and cut that out the way. We've already identified the current trend into the market in Tezos, and we already know price holds this ascending line. Guess what? We're going to look for the market in Tezos to continue to go up. Just that simple. Now, we broke this prior area of resistance at $1.18. So we're going to simply lift it up to where market resistance is coming in at, which is right around here. Okay. So market currently is hitting another area of resistance. Just like the last time, we need to expect price to come down. And the last moment that the buyer stepped in was on this trend line. So be prepared. I'm just saying, be prepared to see price in Tezos fall another maybe 10 3/4, maybe 11% right there to come down to test the trend. So like if you're trying to find an entry point from where price currently is in Tezos versus to where you want to buy it at, yeah, you may want to wait on that particular end. Look at this on the weekly chart. So currently, even here on the weekly chart, this weekly price bar is indicative of selling You would expect the next weekly price bar to go lower and close on the low, but that didn't happen. So yes, there's definitely some strength here into the market in Tezos, but then we're hitting resistance right now. So it's going to take a lot of momentum, a lot of buyers, a lot of demand to come in and break price above $1.30. Okay. Now here it is on the 5-weekly chart. And this is one reason from a 5-weekly chart, I would suspect that the market has enough energy to break above $1.30. Maybe we might hit $1.50 to even possibly almost $2 on a longer term basis in the market in Tezos. Okay, so yeah, the market currently is healthy in the long term, but on the near term, on the daily time frame, just be prepared for the market in Tezos to go a little bit lower. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this particular video is I'm going to do a price prediction on a longer term basis. This is not going to be a price prediction for tomorrow or 2 days down the road. This is a price prediction that I'm looking forward to in the long term, i.e. weekly time frame, even maybe 2 weeks or so. Okay, that is where we're going to play this price prediction. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. And like I said, we're going to look for the market in Tezos to trend higher. And what we want the market to hold support now, it's going to be a little bit higher. I would say right here around $1.10. Give me $1.07. Okay, so let me go ahead and bring up the magnifying glass so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We want the buyers to hold price here in Tezos at around $1.07. Okay, now our first target, as always, we already know where price got rejected, so it's going to be around $1.30. That is our first level, which is 5.65% move higher from where price is now, $1.30. My second one for Tezos is going to be here around $1.40. That is around 13.72%. You guys can see that, $1.40. And then the third target is going to be around $1.50 or like $1.49. That is 21.30%, $1.49, $1.50, somewhere around there. All right, that's it. I am done, simple and easy. Let's go ahead and try to let the market work. As we continue to get more information on the price chart, we'll have a better idea as to how strong the buyers are. Because if they're really strong, then it won't be a problem for the market to run up to $1.50. But if they run across some resistance around 130, like we've already identified, then yeah, we may not see the market run up to 150. Okay. So that is it. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.